Hey everyone, thanks for taking a moment to watch my video today. I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, I got home from work today and a package I had been expecting made it in, and I just wanted to do the unboxing for everyone to see. This will be my first piece of Festool equipment. For the longest time I've been on the fence about buying one, mostly because of the cost. For a small hobby shop, it's a big stretch, but according to what everybody says, they're a game changer. So I decided to go ahead when the Emerald Edition come out with a discount on most of their models. Decided to go ahead and get the Rotex 150, and yeah, so tonight we're gonna do the unboxing for anyone that hasn't ever purchased a Festool tool like myself, or somebody that may be getting ready to purchase it themselves, to see what all comes in the Emerald Edition package. I'm not familiar with the regular edition, so feel free to comment below if you know the specifics. I know it tells in the package what comes extra with the Emerald Edition, but you know, if you're new to the Festool line, a lot of that is kind of hard. Right off the bat, you'll notice this piece here comes in a special packaging. It's got the blue and an emerald green box. It's got the 20-year anniversary labeling right here. Again, this is they call it the Rotex RO 150. Go ahead and open it up here. Again, this is first time opening the box, so we'll see what we get into. So first thing you get here is, I believe this is the hard backed pad, which is an additional item in the Emerald Edition. I think that's maybe wrong, but I believe that's a cost of either 20 or 30 bucks extra. So you get it included in this edition for free. Looks like we got a pack of 10 P120s, and that's in the granite. If you don't know much about the different categories of sanding that Festool offers, they offer all kinds of them, but the granite, from my understanding, again, I'm no expert on it, but from my understanding, the granite is your general use. With this package, you get 10 of the 120s and 10 of the 80 grit. It also come with this protector. So it's like a shroud. Not exactly. Next thing we got here is we got the actual sander body. And it's much bigger than I expected. I know I had looked at them at the store, but it's got a solid feel to it. There's that. Got your power cable. A unique power cable. And looks like they threw in an extra granite 80 grit. And random bad. You got your warranty. obviously, Festool is known for their warranty and customer service. There's that. Here's your manual. Does anybody read these? Really? No, I can't. I've read some of mine, so you know, sometimes you just can't make them shot. Perfect time to read them anyway. Take it with you. So yeah, here's the sustainer. I'm assuming this is a standard sustainer. It's got some info on the inside here. It's got your actual sanding pad type and what grits you can get them in, what they'd be used for. You got this fitted case in the bottom. It's plastic. I guess it works. Alright everyone, after the unboxing I was just going to include a little bit of actual sanding with it. So they put in this extra 80 grit sanding pad. So I'm assuming Festool does that because most people that spend this amount of money on a sander are probably going to want to try it out as soon as they get it. So I'm assuming this is their pad to do that with. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try here. So this is the one the extra pad that this come with. They call it the hard pad. I haven't taken it out, but this is the standard pad here. And the hard pad is for, you know, sanding a tabletop, but you don't you want to be sure to not round over the edges. That's what they recommend the hard for. This one's softer. I mean, I can move it around the edges, not easily. It's not going to form to a square edge or nothing, but I can see where if you raised it, you could round that edge of it. It's pretty simple to line these pads up. Man, they stick a lot better than any other sander I've ever used. So the cord, you know, it's got a one-way. It's got a key on one side of the nail inside of the plug. Line it up. It's got a lock on it. You got your speed control right back here. You got your vacuum hookup. I don't have a vacuum. But at the moment, yet, you know, this is my first piece of the Festool. Maybe a vacuum to go. See how this goes on there. It's like pretty easy to figure out. Got two little clips there. Goes right in.